Good evening. Once again, I'm Stephanie Ruhle. 181 days to the midterm elections, and protecting the right to choose is quickly becoming a key strategy for Democrats ahead of those elections. Today, all 50 Senate Republicans, with the help from West Virginia Democrat Joe Manchin, blocked legislation that would have made Roe versus Wade federal law. Now Democrats are gearing up to take their case to the courts and to the voters.
The Senate failed to stand in defense of a woman's right to make decisions about her own body. This vote clearly suggests that the Senate is not where the majority of Americans are on this issue. It also makes clear that a priority for all who care about this issue, a priority should be to elect pro-choice leaders at the local, the state, and the federal level.
We are going to continue to highlight this issue relentlessly and strongly between now and November.
Senate Republicans Susan Collins and Lisa Murkowski say they are not giving up on a law to protect the rights upheld in Roe v. Wade. They've introduced their own bill, and Collins has been meeting with Democrat Tim Kaine to discuss it. Meanwhile, Politico, which published that leaked draft opinion by Justice Alito overturning Roe, says it appears to be the only opinion circulated thus far.
There is no other opinion in circulation. Most likely, these justices have had a long time to think about this issue. They were already obviously questioned about it in their confirmation hearings. They said what they said about it, but they also know what they think about it. And I doubt that other justices or the public reaction is likely to sway them at this point.
Politico adds the justices are meeting privately tomorrow for the first time since the leak. Meanwhile, abortion rights supporters have been demonstrating in front of the homes of Justices Roberts, Kavanaugh, and Alito. Attorney General Merrick Garland has now ordered the U.S. Marshal Service to provide additional security for all 9 members of the court. We're also keeping an eye on the latest in key investigations into the 2020 elections and, of course, the January 6th riot. NBC News has learned the Atlanta area district attorney looking into Trump's alleged election tampering in Georgia is now getting cooperation from people who served as fake GOP electors. Politico also says the January 6th committee has a trove of new emails from Trump ally John Eastman, which show he urged Pennsylvania lawmakers to just throw away absentee ballots to give Trump the lead. That panel is getting ready to reveal its findings to the public at next month's hearings. And today, Congressman Adam Schiff offered up this preview.
Without a doubt, there will be new information and new details. We expect in these, multimedia presentations that include live testimony, video, audio, documentary evidence, to provide a kind of important texture to this nefarious effort for the first time in our history to overturn a presidential election, interfere with a peaceful transfer of power. I think you'll see really a clever integration of these different sources of information to tell the story and tell it in an easily digestible form.
The former president likely will still be fighting other legal battles as those hearings unfold. But today, a New York judge dropped a contempt order against Trump as long as several conditions are met. That includes Trump paying $110 grand in fines for not turning over documents in a civil investigation.